Welcome. I was a year ago in Mahabaleshwar, where apart from beautiful landscape, strawberries and flowers are world famous. The strawberry picking season runs from December to February, making it one of the best things to do in Mahabaleshwar. India's total production of strawberries comes from the beautiful rolling slopes of Mahabaleshwar alone. Flowers in Mahabaleshwar is enduring during the monsoon. The place starts gathering a bit of tourist and popularity for all the natural treasures that it holds to preserve and virgin charms of this location. The months beginning from August to October, transforming into a blooming beauty of endemic flowers such as Anjani, Sonki, Kondal, Deepkadee and Kaasa. The sheer variety of colors, shapes and sizes is a delightful sight to behold naturalists and adventure lovers alike. The many blossoms of the valley stand in bare contrast to the azure of the sky with numerous delicate flowers. The true magic of Mahabaleshwar lies in the breathtaking natural beauty. Certain flowers here are just exotic. Truly, I never had come across such unusual, striking, glamorous flowers before. I wish I could get some of them, but not possible as I have a hectic schedule. I suggest you to visit Mapro Garden for strawberry and flowers, gazing at Kaasa, located 37 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar and duration about 2 hours. Kaasa is one of the most sought after destinations during late monsoons, known for its unique flora and fauna.